Welcome to our channel, where we dive deep into the latest products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're excited to share our review of the BLACK+DECKER BAPT01 HEPA Tabletop Air Purifier. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. The BLACK+DECKER Tabletop Air Purifier is designed to provide cleaner, healthier air in your home or office. With a powerful 3-stage filtration system, this air purifier effectively removes up to 99.97% of airborne pollutants, including dust, pollen, smoke, and pet dander, as small as 0.3 microns. It's suitable for rooms up to 435 square feet, making it perfect for larger spaces or even multiple small rooms when used strategically. One of the standout features of the BAPT01 is its Energy Star certification, which means it's designed to be energy efficient, helping you save on electricity bills while ensuring your air is as clean as possible. The unit is equipped with touch controls, allowing you to easily customize settings according to your needs. You can choose between low, medium, and high speeds, and there's even a sleep mode that operates the fan at a reduced speed for quiet nighttime use. Another practical feature is the shut-off timer, which allows you to set the purifier to run for 1, 2, 4, or 8 hours. This is particularly useful if you want the purifier to run while you sleep or during specific times of the day, ensuring the air remains fresh without needing to remember to turn it off. Additionally, the child lock feature helps prevent little hands from accidentally changing the settings, which is a great peace of mind for parents. Maintenance is also straightforward with this purifier. The BAPT01 comes with a filter indicator light that alerts you when it's time to replace the 3-stage HEPA filter. Each filter is designed to last up to 2,000 hours, so you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. When it's time for a change, the audible alarm serves as a helpful reminder, ensuring your air quality remains at its best. Now, who is this air purifier suitable for? If you're someone who suffers from allergies or asthma, the BLACK+DECKER BAPT01 could be a game changer, as it helps eliminate common allergens from the air. It's also a great option for pet owners, as it effectively reduces pet dander and odors. Even if you simply want to maintain a fresher environment in your home or office, this purifier is an excellent choice. In terms of practical use cases, you might consider placing the BAPT01 in your bedroom to enjoy cleaner air while you sleep. Alternatively, it works well in your home office, where you might spend long hours working, ensuring that the air you breathe is as pure as possible. It can also be beneficial in a nursery or playroom, where clean air is essential for young children. The compact and stylish design of the BLACK+DECKER BAPT01 means it fits seamlessly into any decor. Whether it's on your office desk, nightstand, or kitchen counter, its clean exterior complements a variety of decorative themes, making it not only functional but also an attractive addition to your space. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and efficient air purifier that combines performance with user-friendly features, the BLACK+DECKER BAPT01 HEPA Tabletop Air Purifier is certainly worth considering. It promises to deliver cleaner air while fitting neatly into your home or office environment. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.